Tips to help create an effective email marketing campaign. Email marketing, while very effective, can also be difficult to use. You may not know how to get email addresses to use to start your campaign. What can you do to maximize your visibility using an email marketing tactic? Keep watching to learn about the best techniques. By using these tricks, you will find yourself with an extremely effective and well thought out marketing campaign. Follow up with contacts you meet at trade shows. Collect people's phone numbers when they stop by your table and call them within a couple of weeks of meeting them. Use the follow-up call to check in with your contact and ask him if he would like to receive your marketing newsletter by email. To get people to opt in and give permission for you to send email marketing messages to them, offer an incentive. Offer a discount or a coupon on one of your products or services. Include a white paper or newsletter about your niche or market. Give your prospect something in return for access to their inbox. If you buy a list of emails to send to, check and make sure it is up to date. Sometimes lists for sale might match your target demographics but be woefully out of date. The number of addresses now defunct can be as high as 25% of the overall list. A properly executed email marketing campaign can be quite profitable, but most of the time, businesses need to work out a few kinks before they see those profits. Some businesses may encounter problems with gaining a large enough email address database. On the other hand, some marketers do not confidently know how to creatively design their messages. Following this advice can help your business avoid these obstacles. Take advantage of this advice and be sure your email marketing initiative produces results. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.